Are you searching for the best 5 plasma cutting machine that gives clean cuts, strong performance, and the best value for your money? Whether you're a DIY hobbyist, a garage welder, or a professional fabricator, the right plasma cutter can save you time and deliver smooth, precise results. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 plasma cutting machines on Amazon in 2025, all highly rated by US customers. We'll cover features, pros, cons, and real reviews so you can make the right choice. Stick around, because number 5 might surprise you with its value for the price. Product 1. Yes Welder Cut 55DS. The Yes Welder Cut 55DS is compact, efficient, and cuts stainless, mild steel, aluminum, and copper with ease. It features a digital display and non-touch pilot arc for smoother cutting, even on painted or rusty surfaces. Pros: easy setup, beginner-friendly, portable. Cons: not built for heavy-duty use, shorter torch cable. Customer review: buyers praise its precision and affordability, saying it's perfect for home workshops. Product 2. Prime Weld Cut 60. The Prime Weld Cut 60 is a 60-amp powerhouse made for pros. With durability, cutting strength, and a 3-year warranty, it handles thicker metals with precision. Pros: industrial grade, long-lasting consumables, US customer support. Cons: heavier and pricier than entry models. Customer review: customers call it reliable and professional, comparing it to high-end industrial machines. Product 3. Thulium TL50C. Designed for both pros and hobbyists, the Thulium TL50C offers dual voltage 110/220V, flexibility, and non-touch pilot arc, making it effective for both thin sheet metal and thick plates. Pros: affordable, versatile, clean cuts through rust and paint. Cons: fan can be noisy, not for non-stop heavy-duty jobs. Customer review: US users love its value under $500 and say it's highly versatile. Product 4. Our Captain Cut 55. Featuring advanced eye control pro technology, the Our Captain Cut 55 delivers smoother cuts and precise arc stability. Great for stainless steel, aluminum, and mild steel. Pros: smart arc control, efficient, portable. Cons: slightly higher price, needs proper setup. Customer review: US welders praise its accuracy and pro-level performance, calling it beginner-friendly yet professional. Product 5. Lotus LTP 5800D. The Lotus LTP 5800D is a budget-friendly plasma cutter that doesn't compromise on features. Its non-touch pilot arc handles rough, painted, or rusty surfaces efficiently. Pros: affordable, easy to use, clean cuts. Cons: not as durable as premium models, light-duty use. Customer review: many say it's the perfect starter machine for small projects and home repairs. That's our list of the best 5 plasma cutting machines on Amazon in 2025. Whether you need heavy-duty power for professional work or a budget-friendly cutter for DIY projects, one of these models will fit your needs. All product links are